This is the AI Feed Weekly Intelligence Briefing for the week of February 23rd to March 1st, 2026. This past week saw major developments in AI video generation, growing momentum around AI agents, and continued expansion of AI tools in everyday workflows. We've seen models move from simple outputs to full workflow integration, signaling a massive shift in the industry's direction. From cinematic video generation to agents that can actually use your computer, the landscape is shifting under our feet. Let's dive into the core developments that define the week. This is what you need to know. We begin with AI video generation. Google Veo has continued its momentum, pushing the boundaries of what's production capable. Veo represents Google's push towards cinematic quality AI video generation, focusing on longer and more consistent scenes. Creators and developers have been aggressively testing these systems, looking to integrate them into professional content workflows. The implication here is profound. We are moving from AI-assisted to AI-produced visuals at a professional grade. The consistency across shots means AI is solving the flicker problem that has plagued the industry for years. This scaling allows for complex physics and lighting that mimic reality with startling accuracy. It's not just Google, though. The entire sector is racing toward a universal video simulator model. This means the barrier to entry for high-end film production is effectively being dismantled. Expression mapping and temporal consistency are the new benchmarks every major lab is chasing this month. By year-end, the distinction between filmed and generated B-roll may be entirely indistinguishable to the average viewer. The democratization of high-fidelity visual storytelling is officially here. This is only the beginning. Moving to our second core topic, the rise of AI agents and computer use systems. The community conversation has shifted from chatting with AI to agents that can execute tasks autonomously. These frameworks allow AI to observe a screen, move a cursor, and interact with software just like a human. Why this matters? It marks the transition of AI from a thinker to a doer, a massive shift for enterprise automation. Imagine an agent that can handle your entire procurement process, from browsing sites to clicking buy. We are seeing the birth of task operators that understand the semantic layer of user interfaces. Frameworks enabling this shift are becoming the most watched repositories in the developer ecosystem. The ability to plan multi-step workflows is the defining feature of this new generation of AI. These systems aren't just following scripts, they are making dynamic decisions based on visual feedback. The goal is simple: create an AI that can use any computer as effectively as a human can. We are rapidly approaching the era where software interfaces are used more by agents than by people. Next, the expansion of AI creation tools. Runway Gen 3 is a standout in this week's creative news. Runway has become the go-to tool for creators looking to push generative visuals into actual production. The accessibility of these tools means that high-fidelity storytelling is no longer locked behind massive budgets. The implication? Content creation is being compressed. What took weeks now takes minutes. Creators are now combining these visuals with AI narration to produce top-tier explainer content. The workflow is becoming a symphony of specialized models working together. This democratization is spawning a new generation of AI-native creators who speak this language. They are not just using AI to do things faster, they are doing things that were previously impossible. We are witnessing a historic explosion in creative output across every digital medium. The tools are evolving from fancy filters to foundational layers of the creative process. The distance between imagination and reality is shrinking every single day. Now let's look at AI as a daily productivity layer. It's no longer just for developers. From research summarization to workflow automation, AI is becoming a general-purpose productivity tool. It's helping professionals manage the information overload that defines the modern workplace. The implication is clear. Those who leverage AI effectively will have a massive cognitive advantage. Research that used to take days can now be synthesized in seconds, with key patterns highlighted. AI doesn't just find information, it finds the meaning behind the information. We are seeing a trend toward personal AI assistants that understand your specific context. These assistants aren't just generic bots, they are trained on your specific workflows. The interface is becoming invisible. AI is just there, helping you work better. By next year, using AI for basic digital work will be as common as using a spell checker. The productivity gains are cumulative, leading to a massive shift in economic output. Let's look at the broader pattern emerging this week. AI is shifting from models to systems. We see this in generative video becoming production capable and AI agents automating tasks. The integration of these tools into everyday productivity workflows is the final piece of the puzzle. This isn't just a tech trend, it's a fundamental change in how we interact with information. We are building a layer of machine intelligence into the very fabric of our digital lives. This layer will eventually manage the majority of low-level digital tasks. The week of February 23rd showed that the age of autonomous systems is no longer a future concept. It is the reality we are stepping into right now. The pace is only going to accelerate. The past week shows how AI is rapidly evolving from isolated tools toward integrated systems. We will continue tracking these developments each week here on the AI feed. Stay informed. This is only the beginning. Stay informed. Thank you for watching.